The high-profile case surrounding Nick Reiner, accused of the murders of his parents, renowned filmmaker Rob Reiner and actress Michele Reiner, has sparked intense discussion about possible defense strategies, including the viability of an insanity plea. As proceedings unfold, legal professionals are offering perspectives on the challenges and implications of such an approach in California courts. Establishing not guilty by reason of insanity is an extraordinarily difficult threshold to meet. Defendants must demonstrate that a mental disease or defect impaired their ability to understand the nature and consequences of their actions, essentially proving they could not distinguish right from wrong at the time of the alleged crime. This standard requires compelling evidence, often from psychiatric evaluations. Experts note that juries rarely accept insanity defenses, succeeding in only a small fraction of cases. Public skepticism and the perception that it allows offenders to evade responsibility contribute to this low success rate. Even if successful, it doesn't necessarily mean freedom. Individuals may be committed to mental health facilities indefinitely. In this case, Nick faces serious charges including multiple counts of first-degree murder, which imply premeditation and intent. However, reports of his history with substance abuse and mental health struggles, potentially including schizophrenia, could factor into defense arguments. One possibility is using mental health evidence to challenge the premeditation element. If successful, this could reduce the charges from first-degree to second-degree murder, significantly altering potential sentencing outcomes. Diminished capacity due to illness might argue against deliberate planning. Additionally, documented issues with addiction and psychiatric conditions could support pleas for lesser charges, such as manslaughter. This strategy might emphasize involuntary actions influenced by severe impairment, potentially removing harsher penalties from consideration. Mental health professionals play a crucial role in these defenses, often providing testimony more impactful than legal arguments alone. Their assessments can humanize the defendant, highlighting how illness may have overridden rational thought. The defense team's approach will be pivotal. Experienced attorneys know how to navigate expert witnesses and present compelling narratives to judges and juries. California's legal framework for insanity pleas is stringent, designed to balance justice with mental health considerations. Historical cases illustrate the rarity of success, underscoring the uphill battle. Beyond the plea, broader conversations about mental health in the criminal justice system arise. Advocates argue for better integration of treatment and accountability, recognizing that untreated conditions can lead to tragedy. The case's notoriety, given the victim's prominence in entertainment, adds scrutiny. Media coverage influences public opinion, potentially affecting jury selection and perceptions. Ultimately, the outcome hinges on evidence presented, expert credibility, and the court's interpretation. Whether pursuing insanity or alternative defenses, the goal is fair adjudication considering all factors. This situation highlights the complexities of law intersecting with psychology, reminding that justice seeks truth amid human frailty.